In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 15 to Android TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase an extremely simple method to use your iPhone 15 or any other model in conjunction with an Android TV. This will allow you to mirror your screen and watch any content on the iPhone on the TV instead. Usually, this is done by connecting the TV and the iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network, going over to the screen mirroring option, and then looking for your TV in here. But if your Android TV does not appear on this list, which is a common problem, then what you have to do is download an additional application. This application is titled DoCast. So look for DoCast on the App Store of your iPhone, screen mirroring to TV. This will allow you to stream your iPhone's screen to any of these TVs here. This is going to include Android TVs. So after you have this app downloaded, open it up and you will have this screen, connect to Smart TV. Like I said before, to ensure that this works, make sure that your iPhone and the TV are in close proximity and on the same Wi-Fi network. Once both of them have been set up, your TV should appear on the list. It's either going to be labeled Android TV or Chromecast, anything similar, so just find it on the list and select it from here. Once you find your specific TV model and you have chosen it from this list, you will see the option to stream to that smart TV. So the actual TV that you selected will appear at the top, and then you can choose to share your screen, share photos, music, videos, and so on. The app is free to use and extremely simple and convenient. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.